Hi there, this is Christy again, and today I thought I would dive deep into Etsy and actually see what is selling with digital downloads, i.e. printables. So let's get started. If we start here inside of Etsy and we put in the search bar birthday party printables, you're going to see this keyword information come up. Now you may be saying, well, I don't see those numbers on my my screen, and that's because I have downloaded a free keyword tool that's absolutely been amazing. And if you download the PDF below this video, you'll get it for free. It will look like this right here. You'll get this free PDF, and it will contain those keyword tools that I'm using. And it'll also give you 10 tips of what to sell on Etsy. Okay? Super cool. All right, so now if we go into Etsy and we put in birthday party printable, I want you to see what comes up. I'm going to move over here. Birthday parties are huge. When you think about it for a second, think about it. People have birthdays every year. A family of 6 has 6 birthdays, plus grandma, grandpa, aunts, and uncles. People have birthdays every month to celebrate. Just one family can have 4 or 5 birthdays within their immediate family and or grandma, grandpa, aunt, cousin, best friend. Now, on Etsy, you know, the demographic is wide. It's mostly female, but you have a majority of women who have small children and or grandchildren, okay? And again, there are men on Etsy and Pinterest, but it is mostly women. So it's not surprising to find printables because we love printables. I think it's the color and the beauty of printables. It just calls out to us. And number 2, we love to celebrate. We love to celebrate, and we celebrate with color. We like pretty things. We like decorating. We like keeping journals. You know, right here I have my journal, and I'm using it today. And it all goes with the same thing. The wonderful thing about making and selling printables is they are digital downloads. I have made my living, and I'm going to show you some of my income right here, selling digital downloadable products. Some of my own products and a lot of other people's products. 6 figures. And this is not all of it. This is just 2 of the marketplaces. This one's 94,000. This one's over 42,000. And I did it selling digital products. Why do I like that? I love it because you don't have to mail anything. Yeah, let me just talk to you about this for a second. You don't have to mail anything. You don't have to stock boxes and strings and labels. You don't have to buy postage. You don't have to charge anybody else for postage. You don't have to worry about the item not arriving on time, because I also have, you know, an Etsy shop with physical products, with t-shirts and mugs, and very rarely do I have a problem, but sometimes I do. And I always think, man, that's why I love digital downloads, because the customer gets it instantly. Plus, people love having an instant downloadable product. So let's go back to birthday party printables, which, as I have, you know, already proven, it's a proven niche. But what you need to do is you need to be competitive. As you can see from the search results, 360,419 results. That is way too many to try and compete with. You want it to be like 50,000 or lower to be able to be competitive with your keywords. So what do? You niche down. For example, here's a niche right here. So instead of making birthday party printables, which is way too broad, you would make something like unicorn birthday party printable. Okay, now we're talking. Only 8,729 results. It sounds like a lot, but if you do your keyword research the way I teach you, you will be able to compete with these other shops. Okay, now what I teach several courses. I teach how to set up an Etsy shop, and I teach keyword research, and I've partnered with Michelle, and she teaches how to make the printables. This is her course right here, and I'll link to that below. Michelle has made over $30,000 in passive income, and she says passive because once she makes her, she's really making most of this from one digital download guide on Etsy. One thing. And she'll show you what that one thing is inside her course. And one of her students, there may be more now, but at least one of her students got to her first $1,000, and I'm sure she's over that by now. And if you click on the link below, you can watch her interview with this student. And she asked her about it, you know, how'd she do it, and so forth. Now, if you get Michelle's how to make and sell printables on Etsy, if you get that guide and that course, I will give you for free. I will give you for free the SEO keyword map. Plus, I also have another guide right here, Print Bubble, how to set up a free Etsy guide. And it's on sale for $67. So you'll get this guide and this guide if you get for free, if you get Michelle's course through my link, okay? And that is for the first 50 people. First 50 people, because I sell these separately, and so it's quite the discount. But it is a limited discount, okay? It's a limited offer. So let's go back and let's look at some more birthday party printables. Okay, so I knew that unicorns was a huge niche. Even rainbow unicorns. Look at this. Moms and kids, because their little girls go absolutely nuts over unicorns. I mean, they just love it. Let's do another one. And think about the movies that are coming out this year for children and or have come out. Let's look at dinosaurs, because I know little boys and little girls love dinosaurs. 4,000 results, so that's very doable. Let's see if they're selling. All right, this shop, oh my goodness gracious. This shop has 7,148 reviews. That means that they have sold a buku of dinosaur party printables. Look at this. Right now, as I am taping this on May 23rd, I think it is, 19 people have this in their carts right now. 19 people are about to buy this for $20, okay? They allow, you can personalize it for 2. So they could potentially make up to $27.99, and then they offer expedited. Well, theirs is not digital then. Theirs must be something they mail. Yeah, ready to ship, which you can do that too. They obviously are set up to ship it fast, and they don't mind it, okay? So it's still a printable, but this one is not a digital download. It is a physical item that she ships, but she's doing really well, okay? So let's go back to our calculator like we did before. I like doing that. It gives me some idea of, you know, it shows you the potential of why people are making printables to sell on Etsy and on their websites. Okay, so if they have made $15,686, and let's just lowball it. It's free shipping, so she's having to pay for shipping. So let's say she's making $15. So times 15. 20, okay, $235,000. 290. Let's do it again, make sure that's right, which I think it is. All right, so this is 8 years. Okay, she's been doing this for 8 years. So 1,000, so let's see, 5 692 times, let's just say $15. Okay, $760,000. Oh my gosh. Okay, and let's divide that by 8. $95,000 a year. I'm just going to double check that. 50,692 sales times 15 is $760,380 divided by 8 years of doing that. $95,047.50 a year. Amanda's parties to go. Just an estimate. She's doing a beautiful job on this shop. Congratulations to her. It is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Okay, so she's got pool parties. She's got farm party. There's another niche. First birthday party. See, okay, first birthday party printable. There's another idea. First birthday party printable. 37, so it's a doable niche. It's selling like hotcakes. You can tell by the reviews. If she's got 9,000 reviews, she's got, and this may be one we looked at already, 94,253 sales. Wow. Okay. And she's making between, and if I'm not mistaken, these are digital downloads. Download, print, and cut. Download, print, and cut. Okay, so $5, and some of these are more. $5. Okay, let's go here. All right, let's do the math. So 94,253 times $5. $471,000. Oh my gosh. $471,265 since 2008. So let's divide that by 10. She's made around $47,000 a year. Much more than that because some of these sell for 10 and it's digital downloads. She's not mailing anything. This one's $15, Bumblebee. Now, wish you could have a similar business? Michelle will show you why and how this is working because she is doing it on Etsy. Oh my gosh, that's pretty exciting. All right, so download the links below and I'll see you on the other side. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope that just blows your mind about what is possible on Etsy with digital downloads. This is Christy. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.